Just metal detecting down here on this little island. I walked out here on a little trail there. I made myself a little trail. The water's down. Hasn't rained, and I'm like, you know what? I'll make a video, and then I see a train coming, and I'm like, this must be the best day of my life. Choo choo! Here we go. It's coming through. It's gonna go right by us, I think. Yeah, it is. I've seen this train before, but not from this angle. I had to stop what I was doing. Can't really see it up there. Okay. Oh, here it comes. Down here in the river, just on these rocks right here. My detector. I'm all mud. I'm soaked. It doesn't even matter at this point. The American flags are flying for Donald. Oh, it's gonna come right by here. This is couldn't imagine living in that house though. Jeez. This guy will see himself on YouTube tonight. Let's get back to work here, huh? Beep beep.